I'm Dr. Jayanti Kamath, and today I'll be talking about when to consult a doctor if you are unable to conceive. We all talk about planning and goal setting in life. So, whenever a couple is trying for a baby, they need to plan. They need to undergo preconceptional counseling and preconceptional care. Now, why is this important? Because the woman's body has to be baby friendly, the family has to be baby friendly for welcoming the child. Now, coming to my core topic, that is when to consult a doctor when the couple is unable to conceive. Now, coming to the definition of infertility. So, when a couple, even after 1 year of marriage, even in spite of having regular relations, they are unable to conceive, we term it as infertility. So that is the time when they have to see a doctor. Or suppose if the woman's age at the time of marriage is above 32 years of age, even in that case she needs to consult a gynec or a fertility specialist. Now, why am I talking about age? As the woman's age increases, her fertility capacity decreases. So it's better that she conceives early. At least, even if she is beyond 32 years at the age of marriage, she needs to get at least a fertility assessment done so that she does not have a difficulty in conceiving. At the same time, she knows exactly how much to delay her pregnancy. There's another definition such as primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is when the couple never has had a child, and secondary infertility is when the couple has one child but they are unable to conceive again. So some people are very complacent in this matter, thinking that once they have a child, the second time they are going to get it right. So it is not always so for all couples. Even a couple who has one child has a difficulty in trying to conceive a second child, even they need to consult a doctor and get their fertility assessment done. What are the treatment options? Treatment options range from simple counseling, simple test, IUI, IVF and beyond that. It's not that every couple who comes with a difficulty to conceive will be advised IVF. Thank you.